This is my artist's impression of the coast, a mixed-use development planned by the Penang Development Corporation. It will occupy a 5.15-acre plot on the southeastern coast of Penang Island. This artist's impression is to conceptualize the idea as PDC invites interested parties to submit a request for proposal to develop it and to make it a new landmark of Penang. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
With the waves that play and the nights that sway, Penang, you take my breath away.